Di ka pasisigi sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong mukha. May dalagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isang ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingli. Ang bituin at araw ng kailan pa may di magdidinig. Unsa may ni ate?
Cross!
Very good. Clap your hands pag na Kuya Vince, what is this?
Triangle?
Unsa ni?
Diamond!
Very good. Clap your hands.
30!
So, kay listo naman ang tanan. So, mag-fireworks claps kita. Ha? Di ba kabalo mo fireworks claps? Okay, we will have it do fireworks claps. So, everyone stand up. Sige, unang pagana na itong fireworks claps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So today mag-color na ta.
Yay!
Unsa man ni?
Cube!
Very good. Unsa yung color sa cubes dito ah? Very good. Sakto ba yung di-color?
Yes!
Sakto? Ano? Oh, very good. Pero, hala? Pero grabe man sabi ni ka perfectionist ni Kuan, Mr. Rusty Pano, thank you, Balianas, grade 2, Pineapple, December, Heart. Correct. Grabe makapasabog. Okay. So, what is the shape is this?
Oval!
Unsa may color sa oval?
Yeah!
Kuya ito, what is the color is this? Very good. Sakto ba? Sakto yung color dito ah? Very good. I-check in the picture, AGN. Also, what is the shape is this? What is the star? What is the color of star? Si Ate Bajoy naapod kay active si Ate Bajoy og si Kuya. Si Kuya Kyle naapod si Kuya Kyle. What will you say everyone?
Thank you!
Very good.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. So na mo spoon.